Assalamu alaikum. I am engineer Saifullah and you are watching Civil Engineer at Site. So dear guys, today we will learn how to find out the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate for a column. If you are a new visitor, so please subscribe our channel along with a bell icon for the notification of new videos. So let's move to the top screen. So guys, here we will find the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate for a column, and also find the quantity of water per the column. So these are the dimensions of the column. So length of the column is 1.2 feet, breadth of the column is 1 feet, and height of the column is 12 feet. So in the first step we will find the volume of the given column. For that, the numerical formula of volume is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, and here is the values of length, breadth and height. 1.2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12. So to find the volume of the column we will use calculator. So clear 1.2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12, which will be equal to 14. So the volume of the column is 14.4. Yes, 14.4 is the volume of the column, and the unit will be CFT. So guys, here we have find out the volume of the column, but there is one thing, that the dry volume of the concrete is 1.54 CFT, and this 14.54 is the overall volume of the column. So for that, when we mix water with the sand and cements, its amounts become lesser than before it was. So for that we have used this 1.54 so we will multiply by 1.54 with the volume of the column, and volume of the column is 14.4. now we will calculate these two, so here is already we have 14.4. we will multiply it with 1.54, which will be equal to 22.176. 22.176 is the overall volume for the column. So dear guys, 22.176 is the overall volume for the column. Now in step 3, so to make concrete for this column we are using M25 grade of concrete, which has the ratios 1:1:2. so the quantity of cement will be 1, so sand quantity also be 1, and the coarse aggregate will be 2. So to go further, we have to find the sum of the ratios. For that, which will be 1 plus 1 plus 2, which will be equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is the sum of the ratio. Now furthermore, I will find the quantities of cement. So cement, here in M25 grade of concrete, the amount of cement is 1, and this sum of the ratio is 4, so we will divide 1 divided by 4 and multiply it with the total overall volume, which is 22.176. so 6, sorry. For this we will use calculator. First of all, we will clear it. 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 22.176, which will be equal to 5.54 CFT is the quantity of cement for that column. Now we will find out the quantity of sand for the required column. So the amount of sand in the M25 grade is 1, so we will divide 1 by the sum of the ratio, which is 4, and multiply it with the overall volume, which is 22.176. Now for this, to find the quantity of sand, we will solve it on calculator. So 1 divided by 4 and then multiplied by 22.176, which will be equal to 5.54. It means that the quantity of cement and sand will be same, 5.54 CFT. Sorry. So for a coarse aggregate, now we have to find the quantity of coarse aggregate. So the amount of coarse aggregate and the ratio is 2. Now we will divide 2 by sum of the ratio, which is 4, and then multiply it with the overall volume, which is 22.176. And to find the answer, we will use calculator. So 2 divided by 4 multiplied by 22.176, which will be equal to 11.08 CFT. So guys, we have find the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate. Now we will find that now we will find the quantity of cement, sand, aggregate in kgs. So guys, the 1440 is the dry density of cement, so we will multiply it with the quantity of cement. For this we will use calculator. So first we will clear that 5.54 multiplied by so its answer is 7,977 or 7,978. So its answer is 7,978 kg. So now we will find the number of bags. For that, you know that one bag of cement contain 50 kg. One bag of cement contain 50 kg, so we will divide it on 50, which will be equal to 159 or 160. This answer will be 160 bags. So guys, now we will move forward. As we know that 1450 is the dry density of the sand, so we will find it the quantity of sand in kgs. So let's move to 5.54 divided by 1450, which is equal to, sorry, we have divided it, we will multiply, sorry for that, 5.54 multiplied by 4050, which will be equal to 8033. 8033 kg. Now we have to find the quantity of coarse aggregate in kgs. So here we will use calculator. So the quantity of aggregate is 11.08, and then we will multiply it with the dry density of coarse aggregate, which is 1700 sorry, is equal to 18,836 kg. So guys, now the quantity of water depend on the water cement ratio for the concrete. So guys, here we have find out the cement quantity, sand and aggregate quantity, which is 160 bags, and sand is 8033 kg, and the aggregate is 18,836 kg. So guys, if you have like the video and enjoy it, so please like the video and comment your opinion in the comment box, and subscribe our channel for more. Thank you. Goodbye.